Do you want to learn how to make your own do-it-yourself toilet bowl cleaner? Stay tuned. I'll show you how. Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations. Hello friends. Today we'll be making an all-natural, no-chemical toilet bowl cleaner. It's like a mini bath bomb for your toilet. It'll only be using a couple of ingredients, but they're very good ingredients for cleaning. The first thing we're going to use is 1 cup of baking soda. Baking soda is a mild abrasive, so it will eliminate the stains. And we'll dump that in there. And then next we're going to be using a 1/2 cup of citric acid. Citric acid can remove hard water stains, rust, calcium deposits, and lime. So we'll dump in 1/2 cup of citric acid. And then go ahead and give it a stir. We want to make sure we get all the clumps out of it. And next we're going to be using 40 drops of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is good for the toilet bowl. It prevents mold and mildew. It disinfects and deodorizes naturally, sanitizes and freshens. You could probably use a different essential oil just if you like a different scent, but this actually has the sanitizing properties to it, so I would recommend this. So we'll go ahead and put in 40 drops. You have to remember that the baking soda and the citric acid, when hit with liquid, will have a tendency to try to activate and fizz. So you want to be very careful when you're putting in the drops. All right, 40 drops of tea tree oil. And I was stirring that as I was putting it in, just on the safe side that it wouldn't activate. Make sure that everything is totally, thoroughly mixed in so the scent is throughout. Next, we're going to use hydrogen peroxide. I have it in its own bottle with a spray cap from just a cheap bottle I got at Walmart. You want to leave it in the dark colored bottle because it will break down if the sun hits it, and you want it to be able to be at full strength. Some recipes call for vinegar and hydrogen peroxide, but mixing them together can make peracetic acid, which is unstable. So to be safe for me and for you, I suggest either using a spray bottle of vinegar or a spray bottle of the hydrogen peroxide, not both. I chose the hydrogen peroxide because of its foaming qualities when it hits the germs. So what we're going to do is we're going to spray a little bit and stir, because we want to make sure we get it stirred very, very quickly so it does not activate. And you want to just keep using it until it is the consistency of sand. So we'll just do a spray and stir, spray and stir, spray and stir, and I'll keep doing this until it gets the consistency of sand, and I'll be right back. All right, I have that stirred up, consistency of wet sand. Then what you need to do is get a silicone mold. I have these little disc ones, and then we'll go ahead and put them in there and pack them down. Now you could use color in these, and I think that would be pretty to have blue or red colored foam and as it's cleaning the toilet, but for today I'm just doing the white. And I'll be back after I get them all in the molds. Okay, there is the molds. I have 15 discs. They have to sit for at least 24 hours before you can take them out. And then you're going to go ahead and put them in an airtight container. So I'll see you tomorrow to see the finished results. Okay, so 24 hours later and they're dry, and I don't think you actually have to wait that long. They were dry probably after 12 hours. But this is what they look like. They're hard as rock. So let's go see if they work. Okay, so here's the toilet bowl. It has a little bit of grime in it. I haven't cleaned it yet this week, so just for this purpose. You can use this as a maintenance cleaner, or you can use it to actually clean your toilet with. So let's see how well it works. And I'm going to add it as the water is coming back up after I flushed it. And there it is, it's foaming. It is baking soda, citric acid, and hydrogen peroxide, and tea tree essential oil. That's all that's in that. And it's got the cleaning action. After you drop it in, you want to make sure that you just let it sit there and work its magic for a few minutes. And then you'll go ahead and scrub it with a brush. You can use one or two of them depending on the size of the disc that you put. And the water is raised up to where the dirty level is, so it should sit and work on those stains. Alright, so it has set for a couple of minutes. Let's see how easy that the stains come off. Okay, they was easy to scrub off, not a problem. Totally natural and safe for the environment. It is easy to make, sanitizes your toilet bowl. I think I will start using this, it'll be a lot cheaper. And the best way to store it is in an airtight container or a Ziploc bag. If you like this video, please subscribe. Hit the bell to get notice of my future videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down, doesn't matter. Comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.